How to pay Milestone Credit Card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can pay Milestone Credit Card. Now, there are different ways on how you can pay to Milestone Credit Card. The easiest one is online. For this, you want to open up any web browser and search for Milestone Credit Card. Then you want to tap on this website, milestonegoldcard.com. Once you get on this website, you want to log into your account. For that, tap on these three lines and tap on My Account. Then you want to enter all of your credentials and get logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to navigate to Make a Payment section. Now choose the amount you want to pay and select the payment source. Now you're either using your checking account or saving account. You simply want to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. If not, you can make a payment via phone. For that, you will have to contact the Milestone customer service. The toll-free number for Milestone customer service is 1-800-305-0330. You can find this number very easily on the Milestone official website. Once you dial the number, you will have to provide them with the necessary account information. So make sure that you have those info, otherwise you will not be able to make the payment through phone. Additionally, you also have the Milestone mobile app from which you can pay the Milestone credit card. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.